What is going on, folks? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. I'm at the same exact spot that I was in the last video. I fished this morning at the lake. I tried to catch some bass, but it was way too cold and I couldn't make it happen. So I'm back at the creek fishing for some more bluegill, and this time I have some worms, so hopefully we can catch some fish. I have about an hour to make it happen, which is not too much. The sun is going down here in a bit, so I have a little bit of time to make it happen, but I really think we can catch quite a few and maybe even a big one. I saw some pretty big fish here last time and I'm gonna be going after those fish, so stay tuned. We're gonna catch some fish. Let's get to it. So like I said, I only have about an hour to try and make it happen. I have some live worms with me today. The day before yesterday, I saw quite a few fish, big fish, right here up in this cut. So I'm gonna see if I can get some to come out. Like I said, I only have about an hour, so I'm hoping they're still here. I'm not too sure whether they are, but I think there could be a bigger bluegill back there than the one we caught last time. So I'm gonna try it out, see if I can figure them out, get them to eat. Yeah, this is kind of last minute. I tried to film a video this morning at the lake, and tomorrow I might be busy, so I wanted to try and film a quick video for y'all within a short span of time, and this is the only thing I can think of that's not that hard, but I'm not even getting bites at this point. But anyway, I'm gonna try and catch some fish, try and make it happen. I'm gonna try and land maybe 6 bluegill today. I don't know, depending on how they're eating and stuff like that, so we'll give it a shot. I have no idea where these bass are hanging out at the lake, so this week should warm up a little and they should kind of come up to the surface. At least I hope they do. I have a fish on. First bluegill of the day right there. Not a bad one. I'll take them. First little bluegill. I'm trying to find those big ones. I'm chasing after those big ones. There we go, first bluegill of the day. They seem a little more active than the other day. Not bad, I'll take it, but I am chasing after the bigger bluegill. I had done a video like this and it did pretty well, so I'm gonna try and make it happen, try and land a bigger one. I know there's bigger fish back there, I just gotta find them. Back in the same spot. Yep, it's another one. He's still on? Yeah, he's still on. Small bluegill, I'll take him. They're all stacked up in that spot, that's what I noticed. There we go, second bluegill of the day. Not a giant, definitely not what I'm after. Back in the water he goes. I'll take it though. I'm trying to get to those big ones. That's a fish. Got one. Third bluegill of the day right there. Get over here, buddy. All right, that's a better one. Making our way up. I'll take him. There we go, everybody. Third bluegill of the day. Back in the water he goes right there. We're making our way up. Not a giant, but I'll take them. We're chasing after giants and I can't seem to find them, so I don't know what I'm doing wrong. The day before yesterday, I was seeing a ton of big fish back in that cut. I can't seem to get them to commit. I might have lost one big one, but that's about it. I'm running out of time. All right, everybody, so it's getting dark. The sun is going down. I broke off. This is my 4th time breaking off. I think I'm gonna go ahead and head out because this is getting pretty annoying. I need some hooks. Hopefully I can find some tomorrow. I only have like 2 hooks left, so I'm gonna go ahead and call it a day, but I will come back tomorrow and resume this video. I might go to the lake, maybe, depending on how my schedule is tomorrow. Maybe I'll catch some big bluegill there. We'll find out though. I need to get some hooks from Walmart tomorrow, so I'll resume this video tomorrow and hopefully we can land a giant bluegill. All right, everybody, it's the next day and I was on my way to go fishing, and literally I live close by and I noticed this small doe stuck right here. I'm gonna see if I can get her out. Oh my gosh, freaking scared me. I don't know how I'm gonna get her out, dude. I want to get her out. I don't know if I should call the cops or something. I probably should, right? She's like really stuck. Unless I go inside. Is there any way to get in? This is locked. Maybe push it from behind, because I don't want to get in front of her. She'll probably bite me or something. I have no idea if deer even bite. Dang it, I don't know what to do, because if I get close to her, she's gonna get mad. She's gonna get mad. Hey, buddy. All right, let's see if I can get her out. I can't. I know I can't get her out. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get her out. I don't think so. She's not budging. This way. Come on. I feel like they're probably gonna have to cut the fence or something. How's it going?
What's up, Jacob?
Hey, how you doing?
That's good.
Yeah, I was on my way to go fishing, and I had seen her, so I came back by.
Alright, so the she's gonna go.
Yeah, she's pretty stuck in there. Do you want me to push from that side or something?
Yeah, if you want to pull her.
Push her that way?
Yeah, no, we're gonna have to get her out.
Actually,
how do you want to get her out?
Better if you go
come towards me.
Yeah.
Yeah, cause she's
go towards you.
Yeah, we'll push her out this way.
Careful, get the hooves.
The hooves? Yeah, she's pretty stuck. There she is. Got it? Cool.
Thanks, Jacob.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah, no problem. All right, so I know this video is probably pretty lengthy. I've made it out on the lake, as you can tell. I'm just gonna try and catch a bass or one big bluegill. That was the goal for the video, to catch one giant bluegill. So I'm gonna cast around for bass. I'm mainly gonna try and catch a bluegill. I know bass fishing is not that great either way, so like I said, the main goal of this video was to catch one giant bluegill. We saved a deer, we caught some little bluegill. It's been a crazy video, kind of all over the place. We'll see if we can make something happen. Last time I fished in this area for bluegill, I caught a giant bluegill. So I'm gonna try and recreate that today and see if I can run into any. So I'm gonna go ahead and quit talking, fish a little, and then I'll keep you all updated whenever I catch a fish. Let's get to it. That's a fish. Got one. First fish of the day, gone. I've been grinding. I've fished all these coves. I've been fishing, bass fishing almost every day, and bluegill fishing, trying to land fish. I knew that hook set wasn't gonna be good. That's the only fish we're probably gonna run into today. I'm basically done fishing all these coves, and I don't think I'm gonna run into another one. That's probably the only fish that was out feeding right now in this area, and I just screwed it up. Not even the bluegill are eating right now. All right, everybody, that's going to effectively end today's video. I don't know if I put the clip in, but I am at the lake right now, and I lost one fish. I tried to catch bluegill. Not even the bluegill were biting. I got one bite. I lost that fish. Pretty salty about it. This video was kind of all over the place, but I hope y'all enjoyed it. We caught some bluegill. I lost a bass. I saved a deer, which was probably the highlight of the video. It's pretty crazy. We saved that little doe. I'm sure she's doing just fine right now, so that's a good thing. Not a bad day. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Thank y'all for all the support. I think last night or yesterday I gained like 5 or 6 subs, and I appreciate that. But if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, drop a like on this video, and I'll catch you next time on JJ Fishes. Oh my gosh.